No sugar, no flour, no oil added. This is a perfect healthy snack or a dessert that you can have every single day. I am going to start with grinding the oats to a fine flour. I am using NutriBullet. I have here 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. I run the blender once, then shake it, because the oats stick to the very bottom of it and they get extremely fine at the bottom, but the rest is just not moving much. And I'm gonna put it back on. You can shake it a bit while processing so the oats keep on moving. For even finer flour, you can run it one more time. I have 2 very ripe bananas. Smash it with a fork to a paste. Two large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, pinch of salt, and mix well. Let's add unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and combine. I'm going to use unsweetened almond milk because it is very low in calories, but you can use any milk you like. 1 cup and mix. If you can't eat or don't like oats, you can also use almond flour or grinded nuts. I have done that many times before and it's really good. Oats going in. Mix well. The batter is very runny at this point, so I'm gonna set it aside for about 20 minutes to thicken. The longer you let it sit, the thicker it will get. Oh, check it out how thick the batter got. I have here 8x8 a baking dish. I like to use parchment paper for easy mess-free removal later. A few viewers suggested to crumble the parchment paper so it is easier to handle it. So thank you very much, it is definitely easier. Pour the batter in and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Once you remove it from the oven, let it cool. And while it is cooling, I'm going to prepare chocolate ganache. You can, of course, eat it this way, but the chocolate makes it much better. I'm chopping 60 grams, 2 ounces of dark chocolate into very small pieces. It is very important that those pieces are very, very small, so the chocolate dissolves easy. You are going to have a very hard time to melt the chocolate if it has big chunks. I'm preheating right now almond milk, and I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of it to melt the chocolate. Start stirring until the chocolate completely dissolves and becomes this consistency. Not too thick, not too runny. Pour over the cake. You can of course make a better design that I have here, no design pretty much. If you are more creative than I am, obviously you can drizzle, spread it all over the cake. And for crunch, I'm gonna add 1 ounce sliced almonds. And here we go. I'm going to divide into 9 pieces. And one piece has 108 calories without that chocolate and almonds. All the information I'm going to include down below in description. The cake is very light and moist and has this rich chocolate flavor. Perfect for chocolate lovers. For more healthy dessert ideas, check out these videos, and that's where I'm going to see you next.